Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 13.2 question number 3. Rahman is making a wheel using spokes. He wants to fix equal spokes in such a way that the angles between any pair of consecutive spokes are equal. Help him by completing the following table. Number of spokes 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. An angle between a pair of consecutive spokes is 90, 60. Are the number of spokes and angles found between the pairs of consecutive spokes in inverse proportion? Calculate the angle between a pair of consecutive spokes on a wheel with 15 spokes. How many spokes would be needed if the angle between a pair of consecutive spokes is 40 degree? Let us find. Now, first of all, we will solve this question in this way. First, here you see, when the number of spokes increases, angle between a consecutive pair of consecutive spokes is decreasing. That means they are in inverse proportion, right? That means they are in inverse proportion. They are in inverse proportion. They are inverse proportion. The first question is, as the number of spokes and the angles found between the pairs of consecutive spokes is in inverse proportion, the answer of question number 1 is yes. They are inverse proportion because the number of spokes, because when they are inverse proportion because yes. The question is, are the number of spokes and angles found between the pairs of consecutive spokes are in inverse proportion? The answer is yes, because when the number of spokes, when the number of spokes, when the number of spokes increases, the angle between a pair of consecutive pair of consecutive spokes, spokes decreases. Therefore, you can say that they are in inverse proportion. Now we'll have to complete the following table. Let the various values angle. Suppose when the number of spokes is 8, angle between consecutive spokes be x1. When the number of spokes is 10, angle between a pair of consecutive spokes be x2. And when the number of spokes is 12, angle between consecutive spokes be x3. We'll find the values of x1, x2 and x3. Since they are inverse proportion, we can write that 4 into 90 degree is equal to 80 to x1, 8 into x1, or the value of x1 is equal to 4 into 90 degree divided by 8, or you can write 4 to the 8, 90 by 2, that is 45 degree. Therefore, the value of x1 is 45 degree. I will find the value of x2, that is again 4 into 90 degree is equal to 10 into x2, or the value of x2 is equal to 4 into 90 degree by 10. 10 1 is 10, 10 9 is 90. Therefore, we are getting 436 degree. Therefore, the value of x2 is 36 degree. Again, 4 into 90 is equal to 12 into x3, or the value of x3 is equal to 4 into 90 by 12. by 12. We're going to find 4 3s are 12 and 3 3s are 9, 0. Therefore, the value of x3 is 30 degree. Right? We get all the values. Therefore, the value of x1 can be written as, you can write the value of x1 as 45 degree. This is 45 degree. The value of x2 is 36 degree. And the value of x3 is 30 degree. We will solve question number 2. Calculate the angle between a pair of consecutive spokes on a wheel with 15 spokes. Right? With 15 spokes. Let us find. Let the angle between question number 2. Let the angle. Let the angle. Let the angle between two consecutive pair be y. Let the angle be y. Therefore, since they are in inverse proportional right, 4 into 90 is equal to 15 into y. I can find the value of y is equal to 4 into 90 by 15. 4 into 90. 4 into 90 by 15. Or if you divide it by 5, 5 3 is 15. 5. 5 5. 5 3. 3 6 is 18. Or 4 6 is 24. Right? Therefore, we can say that now angle between the consecutive pair is 24 degree. Right? Therefore, the angle is 24 degree. Therefore, when the number of spokes, when the number of spokes, when the number of spokes is 15, the angle between a consecutive angle between a pair of consecutive spokes, angle between a pair of consecutive spokes of consecutive spoke is 24 degree. 24 degree. Let's solve question number 3. Question number 3 is, how many spokes would be needed if the angle between a pair of consecutive spokes is 40 degree? Let the number of spokes be, let the number of spokes let the number of spokes be, let the number of spokes be p. Right? Therefore, since they are in inverse proportional right, 4 into 90 is equal to 40 into p, or p can be written as 4 into 90 by 40. Right? We are getting this 0, 4 on 4, 1, that is equal to 9. That means when the angle between pair of consecutive spokes is 40 degree, the number of spokes is 9. That we can say, therefore, the number of spokes is 9 when the angle between a pair of consecutive spokes is 40 degree, right? Therefore, the answer is 9. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.